Superintendent of Monson schools announcing that tomorrow's first day of class has now been postponed.
It's due to an increase in COVID-19 cases. Western Mass News is getting answers on the town's decision. For students in Monson, Wednesday would have been their first day of class.
We are working to keep everybody safe, and that is our priority.
Superintendent Cheryl Clarke telling Western Mass News that the town currently had 12 positive cases of COVID-19 identified in the last week, a significant increase compared to the last few weeks.
Monson is a small town, it's a close-knit town, and I just couldn't in good conscience open our doors knowing that there was this cluster out there and possible further positive results for families or students.
She says there's been more large gatherings in town and mask guidelines are not being adhered to in some cases.
Potentially these people that were at parties may not test positive for another week or so. So that in combination with this uptick really brought us to this decision.
After consulting with the town administrator, Board of Health, and school district's nurse leader, Clarke determined the risk was too high to bring the students back.
We were ready to open our doors tomorrow. We're very disappointed, but I'd rather wait a couple of weeks and see how the data trends before we open.
In-person learning will now begin on Monday, September 21st, with remote learning starting September 14th. The days missed this week from Wednesday through Friday will be added on to the end of the school year.
Right now, with those 3 days added, we're still just June 15th, which is still early in June.
Clarke says the move was better to make now rather than waiting for the kids to already be in school, making the spread potentially even worse. Clarke says that no employees or students in the district have tested positive. Learning materials will be delivered to homes tomorrow and Thursday.